Hi everyone and welcome to 3D Part Factory. So a few months ago I bought myself an AMS for my P1S, and like most people I decided that I wanted to print the desiccant holders to put in the AMS to keep my filament spools as dry as possible. So I went online and I got one of the various designs. I happened to choose this one. And one thing I noticed about these designs, you've got a cylinder on the left that goes inside the spool itself, and then you've got the other desiccant holder that loads into the front of the AMS. I noticed that these designs took quite a lot of desiccant, but didn't actually maximize airflow or surface area. And in my mind, the most effective way to get desiccant to work is to maximize the surface area, the amount of desiccant that's actually exposed to air. If you've got desiccant that's inside, in other words, you've got quite a lot of desiccant in the middle of this and in the middle of that, it's not really exposed to air very well. It's not going to do a great job drying the air. So in my mind, the more desiccant that's exposed to air, the better result you get. And so what I did is I went and I designed a new set of desiccant holders. I've got a new cylinder and I've got a new pod here. And the cylinder, as you can see, is actually hollow and got space around the outside. And the idea behind both of these designs is I'm trying to maximize surface area. So just to give you some idea as to where we are with these designs, the original design for this pod on the right had 22 square inches of surface area and 107 grams of desiccant. My pod has 45 square inches of surface area, twice as much, and 55 grams of desiccant, almost half as much desiccant. As far as the cylinder goes, the cylinder on the left has 19 square inches of surface area and 62 grams of desiccant, whereas my cylinder has 16 square inches, a little bit less, 3 square inches less surface area, and 25 grams of desiccant. So as far as my cylinder goes, I'll talk about that for a second. I'm not sure if the fact that it really has better airflow compensates for the lack of surface area, for the 3 square inches less surface area. That's something you're going to have to decide for yourself. But this pod here certainly has twice as much surface area, 45 square inches, as opposed to 22. So, and obviously you can see I've cut slits in it so that it has airflow. So I think it works much better. Try them out for yourself. I'll have the link to the files in the description of this video. Try them out for yourself. Let me know what your results are. I've had good results with my designs. I'd like to see how you do. Thanks, and thanks for listening to 3D Part Factory. Happy printing.